Gord mentioned it's important to be sustainable. So one thing I would finish with really is the idea that airborne surveying is one of the least disruptive forms of surveying we can possibly do. If you're flying in a plane, you can go above areas of high relief, you can go above urban areas, you can fly really wherever you need to go with causing minimal disturbance, and yet you can still see detail. And another final advantage of FTG and the airborne method is that you can actually infill data, so that you can do some reconnaissance surveying to see what's going on in the area. And as soon as someone like myself or Gord spots something that's of interest, you can go in and shoot more detailed data whilst you've still got the plane in the air. So I think that's really, as an explorer, where I see the greatest value, and in terms of resource applications. So I think that for me is probably the benefits. So thank you.
Thanks, Tim. I think you've sold FTG for me. But in addition, something important here, though, is that it's true. I want to emphasize, as you said, Tim, that both magnetic and gravity surveying are 100% passive technique. And as such, they have a very low environmental footprint. They're fast. They're relatively low cost compared to other techniques, certainly seismic, compared to drilling. They can cover very large area quickly. And I think that having low impact, low environmental footprint is very relevant and important in times where company and stakeholders, and including us contractor, have to carry out really responsible and efficient exploration program. We just can't go underground and shoot, bring vibro size truck everywhere and start drilling. We have to limit the impact of exploration as much as we can. Of course, limit costs too, and be more efficient in our targeting. So, which is really why I think airborne geophysics is very much an ingredient for carrying this out successfully. And I think, Tim, you need to open a local museum with all your samples.
Don't tell anybody where I live.